I'll guide you through the 5 non-negotiable criteria for choosing your next cloud provider, avoiding the pitfalls of vendor lock-in and other challenges faced by users. If you're looking to maximize your business's efficiency and scalability, or you want to ensure absolute data security and regulatory compliance, and so you need to select the best long-term cloud host for your critical applications, then this tutorial will walk you through all you need to know. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. When choosing a cloud service provider, the first and most critical step is evaluating security and compliance. You are entrusting your most sensitive data to a third party, so trust must be earned. Look specifically for end-to-end encryption. This means your data is protected both at rest, while it's sitting on the server, and in transit, while it's moving during upload or download. Next, confirm robust access control features like multi-factor authentication, strong identity and access management tools, and support for single sign-on. Finally, check their compliance certifications. If you operate in a regulated industry like healthcare or finance, ensure the provider meets standards such as GDPR, HIPAA, or PCI DSS, and clearly define data residency, which is where your data will physically be stored. Step number 2 is checking performance and reliability. The cloud must be fast and always available. You must scrutinize the service level agreements, or SLAs. This is the contract that guarantees uptime. Look for extremely high durability, often expressed as many nines, like 99.9999999%. After that, confirm the speed of the service. Fast upload and download speeds and low latency are vital for large files or any mission-critical applications. Performance is often tied to global infrastructure, so check if they have data centers or points of presence close to your users to minimize connection lag. Next, let's tackle the money in step number 3, cost and pricing model. Don't be fooled by the monthly storage fee. Cloud pricing is inherently complex, often involving tiered rates, usage-based fees, or reserved instances. Crucially, look out for egress fees. This is the hidden killer, as many providers charge heavily for moving your data out of their cloud environment. These data transfer costs can make moving providers prohibitively expensive. Finally, understand the scalability versus commitment model. Are you paying purely for what you use, or are you signing a long-term commitment for a better bulk rate? Step 4 covers scalability and integration. Your cloud solution needs to grow with your business and play nicely with your existing software. The provider must offer instant scalability, meaning they can handle explosive growth in users and data volume on demand. You should also evaluate their integration capabilities. Does the service seamlessly connect with your team's tools like Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, or Slack? This is where you assess the risk of vendor lock-in. How hard would it be to switch later if needed? Our 5th and final step is evaluating support and migration. You are choosing a partner, not just a service. Check the tiers of customer support offered. Is premium support included, or is it a pricey add-on? What are the guaranteed response times for critical issues? Also look for extensive documentation and community resources. The ability to quickly self-help is essential. Now that you know what to look out for, I've already done the heavy lifting by using this checklist to select the top 5 cloud services. If you're looking to nail down the ideal cloud sharing service provider for your specific needs, then click to watch this video next. If you love this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more cloud storage video tutorials. Thanks for watching.